Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101 and this is my channel, Bell Southstone Apartments. Hey, so we're at the Ansel and we're at their one bedroom model. We're gonna walk in, we're gonna do a walkthrough. It's gonna be a two-part walkthrough, super quick overall. Let's walk in now. So, wow, really pretty. I love that the hallways were dark and we walked in. It's this gorgeous apartment here. Look at the mudroom area. Look at this area. I bet there's a washer dryer behind that. Yep, there is. Oh, this is really cool. Washer dryer and also kind of a little shelf area. It's almost like a utility room in there. Really nice. We also have a really pretty, beautiful kitchen that's here. The kitchen's just fresh, sharp. I love the cabinets. They're white, really light. I love the island. It's got enough for 3 seats here easily. The lighting here is really pretty. There's a lot of light in the kitchen too, so it's gonna feel really cheery, fresh, and bright in here. Also, just look at all the beautiful new appliances. You got Whirlpool with an ice maker. Really nice in here. And I like the backsplash in here. It's real pretty. And you notice like the undermount lighting that's here too. Very beautiful. It feels super open. Here's what the living room looks like. The living room is also really cute. It's adorable. It's got it looks like an accent wall over here, and then just a really pretty space. There's just a lot of it just feels comfortable and fun in here. Over here we've got a really pretty wall to, of course, put a TV or whatever you want like that, and it's just a gorgeous space. You are going to have a patio or a balcony. So in this case, let's look at this one. Let's open this, and it's going to look like this. So here's the balcony. Now this is overlooking the street that's over here, and this is what the balcony here is. There's also internal facing balconies and patios as well. So that's a cute patio. It's a decent size. You can put a couple of chairs out there. This is part 1 of the one bedroom model at the Ansel. Let's look at part 2. We're going to do that on the next video. If you have any questions of anything you're seeing, or if you're ready to set up a virtual tour, live virtual tour, send me a text right now. I'll take care of that. Maybe we'll get that set up today.